Desperado, aka Jabroni, and today I'm gonna talk about Chainsaw Man. If you know what Chainsaw Man is, it's a upcoming anime and a really popular manga, and people don't shut the fuck up about it. And I've been seeing it for the past 2 years, just like fan-made shit or like theories and shit like that. And I mean, I read like 15, 20 something chapters like a year back or so, and I thought it was all right. I mean, I don't know. I got to the part where the eye patch lady barfs into the main character's mouth, and I mean, I guess that was pretty hot or whatever, but I was like, yeah. And I just started reading something else. I fucking forgot. But yeah. I mean, this upcoming anime. Well, I mean, I'll probably watch it, and I mean, the animation looks amazing. I mean, it's made by Mappa, and they made shit like Jujutsu Kaisen and like Attack on Titan and some other shit I don't remember, but yeah. So the animation looks phenomenal, but I mean, I'm not a crazy fan. I mean, I don't think I really am a fan. But yeah, like, so the point of this video is I'm gonna go through some YouTube videos and comments and see what's the hype about for Chainsaw Man. What makes it amazing? So yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's know that. Alright. Chainsaw Man. Okay. Ooh. Naked lady. That's pretty cool. Alright. The entire Chainsaw Man story explained. We don't need that. Okay. How about we just do why Chainsaw Man is already peak fiction. Not only is Chainsaw Man damn good, but so is the fandom. No, that's capped out. Kobeni's car gained 7th place in the popularity poll, directly ahead of Kobeni herself. 8th was honestly the best things ever. Okay, I don't know how a car can fucking do that, but okay. As someone who read Chainsaw Man, I'll personally be on the front lines to stop people from gatekeeping it. Yeah, good luck with that. After watching this, I read the entire series. Now I'm a changed woman. Woo! The Bomb Devil arc was honestly one of the manga moments that hit closest to home. Never have I ever related with a manga main character so much as Denji during his arc. Honestly, my favorite manga ever. Wow. Just read Chainsaw Man. I'm watching this. The internet isn't ready for the gun devil sequence. Okay.
I just can't get over the fact that Denji continually simped for Makina despite the fact that Naruto got completely emotionless and blank.
Woo. Yep. My kind of woman. Reading the manga will not ruin the anime. Shuhu got teary-eyed after seeing Aki, Denji, and Power together. Okay, it's just... Alright, let's go to the next one. Damn. These bitches crazy. Ooh. Mejor de second. Regino al style Denji. Chainsaw Man. Brutal straps hits.
No YouTube, quem tá falando com vocês é o Ian, e hoje, a pedido de vocês, eu vou reagir ao novo...
Mejor som de Ludovidas etem sovono adirebits sima quem man mando el del pro es Paco som com on fucking dido. I don't know what that fucking means. Ele ne sou como eu a máquina man, mas fez uma sopa como ila. I agree. Trailer versus manga. Oh my god. Chainsaw Man's biggest problem.
Chainsaw Man is perfect. It's got some of the greatest characters, fights,
Perfect.
art, and plot twists I've ever seen in all of fiction. And while I would literally come in first place in a Chainsaw Man D-writing competition,
Whoa.
I'll admit, the series isn't for everyone. While other anime, you have to have a very high IQ to fully appreciate them. In Chainsaw Man, you have to be a certain level of down bad to appreciate the fine and things the series has to offer. From the fans of the series to the characters themselves, Chainsaw Man is a
Ooh,
series
he's
where
just like
everyone
me.
is down bad. It's a constant theme throughout the story, and this is probably the number one thing that will turn people off about it. It might not click with everyone, but at least for me, this is the greatest story I've ever
The
read.
greatest.
Chainsaw Man is perfect. It's got some
Okay, wow. Ooh, man. Yeah, well, I guess I'll see if I like it or not once I see the anime when it comes out. But yeah, those are my general thoughts on Chainsaw Man. I just read like 15, 20 chapters and that was okay. And then I kind of just stopped. I mean, like that guy said, it's not for everyone, I guess, but maybe it'll turn a new leaf. We'll see. Alright, that's about it, everyone. Later.